Hi, I'm Matthew. Welcome to my channel, and today it's Sunday and time for a shave. Real quick, I'm gonna wet my face. No, I'm not. Had a little snafu in the video, but let's talk about the stuff I used in the shave. I had a really nice shave too. Stirling Executive Man. Very nice scent. Has that great Creed Aventus vibe to it. Use the Stirling Glacial Executive Man Splash. My favorite. And I used the Clog Pruf Gem Micromatic. Here it is. Turn this little handle here and you insert your blade. Now the blade I'm using is the blade for men, and this is a discontinued blade from CVS. And this is a remarkable blade. I don't know that it's stainless steel, but this was the second use on this blade, and the first use I had it sitting on my little blade tray for like 3 months, and there's no rust or tarnish or anything. So one of the things I pointed out in the non-recording part of the video was on the tooth on the end of this comb has a little notch there. And so when you go to sit that blade in there, make sure that the blade is sitting behind that little tab. Like so. And then just spin that bottom knob to where the cap lines up. See if you can see it. See that little tab right there? If you get that blade off, you're going to have a bad shave. Probably some nicks and cuts and bleeding and such. So I used my HC&C stainless steel bowl and this beautiful Trotter's Handcraft brush. I love this white and blue combo. Very nice gel tip. Even still smells a little bit like the Executive Man. So I'm going to cut in here where I realized the video went into oblivion. I'm not sure if I hit record or not. I will be upset. I had did the stupid update on my phone, and hopefully it's not timing out after so many minutes of... I hate those stupid updates. They always jack around. The people in the head shed that design some of these tech things, they have no practical application. I often wonder, do they even use the stuff they're designing? Like, why would you make your phone time out or go to sleep while you're recording a video? That makes no sense. Just like on one of the other update things that they had in there, is if you get close to another iPhone, it's going to automatically share your information. Who thought that was a good idea? I could just think of the people in the subway, or, you know, that commute among a bunch of other people. Why that seems like you would want to share that is beyond me. It's one thing if you turn that feature on, or if you want to make it where that you're what's the word I'm looking for? Discoverable. Like maybe you do something in business where you want people to be able to share information back and forth. That may be a good idea, but in this application, I don't think so. Somehow I missed that. All right, let me get cleaned up with some cold water, and I'll be right back, as long as the phone don't time out. Let's see. Oh, yes, I'm going to put the splash on now. My phone is still recording, so hopefully I actually hit the record button earlier. Oh, this is a very nice scent. And use a little bit of the Matthew sauce. Wow. I was getting ready to say, I'm only 4 minutes into the shave. I forgot it. See, that's where I get distracted. All right, well, I'll put a little picture right here of everything I used today, and I will see you guys on Wednesday's video. I'll see you then.